What's up, guys? We are in the process of creating this noise trap. We haven't had much time, but we know who we're gonna noise trap, and her name is Torin. First trap, a Dehi will attack from above. This will be triggered by the rope attached to the speaker that is Bluetooth activated and can start everything. First, a TV here, and this is showing the video of Tommy gets noise trapped. So we'll be using a former noise trap to noise trap a new person. Next, we have the vacuum cleaner. From here, we have another TV, which is currently being set up. Then we have Nathan. And Nathan, what are you gonna do for the people? Yes, exactly. Then we have a microwave, a dishwasher, an oven. Come in.
You're the second person to be noise trapped ever. How does it feel?
Terrible.
How are you feeling after the noise trap?
What?
Yeah.
Thank you from you guys back at the studio. So I'm here with Torin. Torin, it's been 3 hours since your noise trap. Do you have any advice for all the people out there in Chapel Hill who are terrified of being noise trapped?
Watch out.
You heard it here first. Back to you guys in the studio.
Steaming hot beer right from the udder.
Long day.
It's not a bed.
Time for bed.